Hello, my name is Deja Tillman. This is my microbiology biochemical testing for microbial identification. Today is April 1st, 2020. This is for the methyl red, Vogers, and Lacid testing. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with this culture here. We're going to take the cultures. We're going to put them into the testing tubes here. I'm going to go ahead and start. Here's my Staphylococcus epidermis. I'm going to pour half and half in each tube. So I'm going to pour half here. Oh. And half here. So as you can see, one of them is a little bit more cloudier, and I believe it's because it has more of the bottom of the sample. So I'm just making it even here. And we're going to do the same thing with the E. coli. So I'm trying to get half here, doing the best that I can. Half and half, perfect. Now we'll do the E. coli from our MRVP. And let's go ahead and do the E. coli half. Oh, that's way more than half. I'll make it even here. Pour it in there. That's like nothing. And we're gonna make this half. These are also labeled E. coli, as you can see. And S. epidermis here. So these two are S. epidermis. You can see here they're both about the same cloudiness, about the same levels. And then I have my E. coli about the same levels and a little bit of cloudiness. So there's the roughly half for each. Next, I am going to start with my pH indicator, methyl red. So we're going to do 7 drops of the methyl red into 1 E. coli and then 1 Staphylococcus epidermis. So 7 drops in each one. So I have one here, which is the front ones are going to be the 2 methyl reds. So 7 drops of the methyl red pipette. Methyl red. So I'll start with E. coli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is done. Now we're going to do our Barrett's A region. We're going to use it on the remaining 2 of the test tubes that we have. So 12 drops of the Barrett's A into each one. And then I'm going to gently mix it, swirl it, and then we're going to do 4 drops of the Barrett's B region. So we'll go ahead and start and check the results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'll give it a little swirl. It's really strong. It has a really strong smell. And then swirl. A little bit of color change. It's a lot more cloudy than it was before. Now the last step is to add the Barrett's B region. So we'll do 4 drops into each one. We're going to kind of shake it, expose it to a little bit of oxygen, and then I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes, and then we're going to record what we see after that. So I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. So it looks like interestingly, my results for the Barrett's V and A, as you can see, it was cloudy at first and it began to clear closer to the bottom and it's cloudy at the top. So it made some type of layer to the S epidermis here and then the E. coli here. And it seems like the longer I let it sit, the more clear it gets. Now, for the methyl red, the E. coli, interesting. The E. coli shows an orange layer at the top with the clear bottom of, I'm assuming, the E. coli, and it has little specks of particles at the very top here. That's more of an orange color compared to this pinkish red, which is the S. epidermis. It has the clear at the bottom and then the pink at the top with the little small particles that are floating. So that pretty much concludes my result for this experiment. I find it extremely interesting how it formed layers with the different chemicals when placed into the E. coli and the S. epidermis. So once again, you guys, today is April 1st, 2020. My name is Deja Tillman, and thank you guys for watching my results.